Welcome to inDesign Blinds. Today we've installed a couple of wire guide external screen blinds. So I'll just show you how they operate. So we've got a crank operated blind at the moment. We click the crank end to the edge of the blind and we'll literally wind it down. As you can see, the blind stays nice and secure within the wire guides. Ups all the way to the floor. Stop it wherever you want. You can take the crank and put it away. Alternatively, you can always leave it and pull it back up by doing exactly the same thing. Thank you for watching inDesign Blinds. Hope you enjoy our blinds.